Good morning friends. If you have benefited from this session, please do subscribe my channel. The condition in which there is a variation of size of the shape of the RBC is known as poikilocytosis. Iron deficiency anemia, serum iron will be less than 30 mg per deciliter. The most common preparation used for oral iron supplementation is ferrous sulfate. In that, ferrous 20 mg will contain elemental iron of 60 mg. Common preparation for parenteral infusion of iron is iron dextran. Common preparation used for intramuscular injection of iron is interferon. Folic acid requirement for a pregnant woman is 1 mg per day. Rarest type of anemia in pregnancy is aplastic anemia. Cooley's anemia is thalassemia major. The commonest heart disease complicating pregnancy is rheumatic heart disease. The commonest rheumatic heart disease complicating pregnancy is mitral stenosis. The drug administered annually to prevent recurrence of rheumatic fever is benzathine penicillin. The safest position for a delivery for a pregnant woman with heart disease is lateral recumbent position. The commonest congenital lesions complicating pregnancy is ASD or arterial septal defect. The commonest cyanotic heart disease complicating pregnancy is tetralogy of Fallot. The test for screening gestational diabetes mellitus is glucose tolerance test. Type of diabetes in which the patient has symptoms of diabetes mellitus and glucose concentration 20 mg percentage or more is known as overt diabetes. Insulin therapy is preferred when the postprandial blood sugar is above 140 mg per percentage. Teratogenic infections resulting in congenital fetal malformation is TOS, that is toxoplasmosis rubella, cytomegalovirus, herpes simplex virus. Autoimmune disease which antibodies causing multisystem affection is systemic lupus erythematosus. Hansen's disease, otherwise known as leprosy. The commonest cause of jaundice in pregnancy is viral hepatitis. WHO declared disease as a global health emergency. Which is that disease? It is tuberculosis. Initiation of uterine contraction after the period of viability by medical or surgical or combined methods for the purpose of vaginal delivery is termed as induction of labor. The process of stimulation of uterine contraction that is already present but found to be inadequate is termed as augmentation of labor. A series of complex biochemical changes in cervix hormone mediated alerting the cervical collagen and ground substance resulting in soft and pliable cervix is called as ripening of cervix or cervical ripening. Induction of labor should be based on Bishop's score. Parameters of Bishop's score include cervical dilatation, cervical length, cervical consistency, position of the fetal head, and station of the head. Total Bishop's score is 13. Favorable score for induction is 6 to 13. Prostaglandin help in cervical ripening is PGE2. Prostaglandin responsible for myometrial contraction is PGE2 alpha. Procedure in which membranes below the presenting part overlying internal os are ruptured to drain some amniotic fluid is called as low rupture of membrane or artificial rupture of membrane. Digital separation of chorioamniotic membrane from the wall of cervix and lower uterine segment is called as stripping of membrane. Reflex in which there is a rise in maternal plasma and oxytocin level by vaginal examination and amniotomy is Ferguson reflex. The term active management of labor was coined by or developed by Driscoll in 1968. Graphical record of cervical dilatation and descent of head against duration of labor in hours is called as partograph. A series of events that takes place in genital organs in an effort to expel the viable products of conception out of womb through vagina into outer world is called as labor. Process of giving birth is parturition. The woman who is in labor is known as parturient. The expulsion or extraction of a viable fetus out of womb is called as delivery. Any deviation from normal labor is abnormal labor or dystocia. The spurious labor is false labor or false pain. Expulsion of cervical mucus plug mixed with blood is known as shock. Intrauterine pressure in pregnancy is 2 to 3 mm of Hg. Intrauterine pressure in the first stage of labor is 40 to 50 mm of Hg. Intrauterine pressure in the second stage of labor is 100 to 120 mm of mercury. The phenomena of uterus in labor, in which the muscle fibers are permanently shortened, is called as retraction. The coordination between fundal contraction and cervical dilatation is polarity of uterus. The process by which the muscle fibers of cervix are pulled upward and merges with fibers of lower uterine segment is called as effacement. The shape of uterus after birth of the baby is discoid in shape. After placental separation, bleeding is controlled due to dash arrangement of uterine muscles. It is crisscross arrangement or figure of eight arrangement of the muscle fibers. Thank you for listening.